It's March 27 at andito kami ngayon sa Costco mag-grocery. Bumili kasi kami kahapon ng chest freezer and magsa-stock up kami ng mga meat. Mura yung meat dito sa Costco kaya dito kami namili. And samahan nyo kami. So andito po kami ngayon sa meat section. Kumuha na kami ng ground pork. And ayan.
Yeah, one man doon getting slice, you know.
Yan eh.
Pero sige lang.
I want to get the...
Hello, I didn't eat anything.
Go! You can do it!
Babe, be careful in the river.
So, pang lunch namin yan na wrap. I-freeze lang siya, tapos pwede na siyang pambaon lunch.
Na-freeze naman eh. Tumatang.
Habi!
Babe, it's sleeping, babe.
May bulatangan tatuwa.
That's too much.
Sandwich.
Ara, ko katulod ah!
I know.
Hi guys!
Mateo.
Wala lang kita. Wala lang kita dalang tao.
Merging to mo.
Merging to gali. Merging. Kasi nagka-camera ako. Hindi siya makakita sa side mirror. Anyway, it's March 29. Punta po kami ngayon sa Best and Less. Tapos pupunta kami sa birthday ng friend namin na 50s na yung edad. Ayun. Doon pa sa Armadale. So mga ilang hours away pa. 36 minutes away sa bahay. And ayan lang si Mickey. It's 12:41. 1 p.m. yung kainan. Pero baka malilate kami dating. Yun lang guys. So naka-romper ako. Napa-outfitan ngayon. Romper siya. Yun lang. Nandito po kami ngayon sa park. Nag-walking. Hi, Dad. Walking. It's currently 6:28. 20 degrees. Ayun na si Habi yung layo ha. Let's go. Hi guys.
Why?
It's April 3. 12:30 na.
Why?
And 27 degrees outside. Punta kaming Lollipop. So, yan lang yung outfit natin. And holiday today. So, gala. Baka mag-fishing kami mamayang gabi. Yan lang. See ya.
Wait, I have to get my hat.
Go get your hat and your bag.
Okay.
So, 20 minutes away yung lollipop dito sa bahay. 12:36 na. And 3 p.m. magsasara yung lollipop kasi holiday ngayon. So, early closing. And after that, mag-fishing kami.
We have fun. We have fun. We have fun. Yay!
Are you excited? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Javi, can you show me your card? Is that for your entrance? How do you feel? It's automatic. Okay. There we are. Pauwi na kami guys, tapos na siya maglaro.
Huh? Yeah, I think
Isang basa sa pawis.
Because it's closing already.
Let's go! So, nag-visit kami ng kasi yung frozen berries.
The big garden.
Yan, sobrang daming berries yung binili namin. Yan. Let's go!